Hello children, how are you? Okay, today in this class we are going to learn short sound of O. Okay children, that means the words which sounds O in the middle. Do you know what is the sound of O children? How the sound of O comes in the middle of the word? Do you know? The sound of O comes as O. Okay children, the sound of O comes as O in the middle. Okay. So, let us see the words, how the sound of O comes in the middle of the word. Okay children. See here, what is this word? See, D-O-G, dog. Dog. See, dog. O, the sound of O comes as O in the middle. Dog. Okay. See here, L-O-G, log. Next, C-O-W, cow. How the O sound in the middle? O. Okay children. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. The sound of O comes as O in the middle. Okay. C-O-T, cot. Okay. Next, T-O-P, top. M-O-P, mop. O-X, ox. Okay. Next, see this word children. F-O-X, fox. B-O-X, box. G-O-T, got. P-O-D, pod. Children, can you understand how the O sounds in the middle? See, let's read once again. Dog, log, cow, pot, cot, top, mop, ox, fox, box, got, pod. Okay children, did you all understand the class? Thank you.